Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you some exciting news about the internship, and this is internship program is going to help you in your career, in your resume, in your job profile, in your professional life, and that's why this is very good opportunity for the beginners, for the first year student, for the second year student, for the pre-final year student also, because if they have not done an internship, that's why this is going to be a very big opportunity for them who have starting their career in tech. They start this video. So we are going to know about some Spark Foundation, because this internship program is hosted by the Spark Foundation, and the Spark Foundation is mainly a NGO which is registered in India and also in Singapore and operated globally, and which inspires students to innovate and build good things about the humankind. And you are going to listen grip word in all over in your internship program, and the grip word is mainly given by the Spark Foundation, that is graduate rotational internship program, and it is a unique offer for student and recent graduates to experience and join the Spark Foundation, because in this program nearly 20 plus thousand students have done the internship program from their portal, and they have upgraded themselves also in their career and then professional life. And if any student also become entrepreneur, they they will provide that task also, and encourage interns to build a credible professional life and professional profile. Now I'm going to tell you something about internship, that is nearly grip, that is graduate rotational internship program, and the benefits. You always need, if anyone have done internship, you will need benefits. So the benefits is given by completion certificates, recommendation letter, that is if you have done and you are a top performer, then you will receive your recommendation letter. Only few percent receive recommendation letter, because you have to perform top and best, then only you can receive. And opportunity to be part of TCF, means the Spark Foundation network is a large network, and the part, if you are a part of it, you are a great going. And also if you need some workshop and guidance, they provide you all the details, and you will receive all the guidance from them. Like if you need some help in resume and LinkedIn profile building, they will tell you all the detail about the building these things. And also the network opportunity, the network opportunity in corporate is the biggest thing, that only few means the beginner didn't know about this thing. If you're going and targeting the corporate world, then you should know the importance of network, because network always help us in a bronze way, means in a positive way. Because if you are active in some good social media platform for professionals like LinkedIn, then you will receive also job and network profile, internship program. There are so many things you can get from your networks. If you are not knowing this thing, please know network opportunity is a good thing which will help you in all your life. Yeah, there are three steps you should know what this internship has. This is unpaid internship, means you are not going to pay anything, and you Spark Foundation also not pay anything, because it is an NGO which is helping students to grow themselves in a good way. And also you are not going to be forced for hours, means working hours. You are not going to be forced for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. So you can work at late night, late morning, any time you can work, but you have to work accordingly your free time. And also you need your computers and internet, not that much internet. You can okay with your daily quota, that will sufficient. And you don't have to worry about more internet and computers, you can manage it easily. And there are some guidance and mentorship program also driven by the Spark Foundation team. And if you have some confusion and doubts, you can schedule your call with core team members of the Spark Foundation. And also like mentor support, if you need some technical support, you can also ask with mentors of the Spark Foundation. And the discussion forum is there on the LinkedIn. That I have already told you that 20 plus thousand students are there who are improving themselves day by day. And on demand support, if you want to know more thing, then you can mail them. Then you will receive all the schedule call, mentor support, discussion forum, all the things clearly, more clearly. Here some step by which your selection is confirmed by the grip. Like step 1, you have to confirm your internship function. Means if you are not knowing the internship function, what you are going to perform, then you can not proceed with any job or internship. So here some job description is present, like web development, mobile app development, data science and business analytics, content development and campus ambassador program, digital marketing, talent acquisition, IoT and computer vision program is driven by the Spark Foundation. You can apply any one of them, but any one of them only. Join TCF network on LinkedIn. So you can join TCF network, which is nearly 20 plus thousand students are there who have done these internships. You have to share your preferred internship function. That like I have mentioned earlier, 6 types of internship: mobile app development, web development, data science. You have to mention in which internship you have interest, and all the detail you have done previously. Like step 4 is background information verification, what you have done and what knowledge you have. If you don't have any knowledge, you can just mention it there. That is no issue. They accept you and give you a selection certificate. And but you have to forward those 2 things on these 2 email IDs. And step 5 is wait for the grip selection certificate. So don't be hurry, wait for the nearly last week of the month. You will receive your grip selection certificate. If you have done all the step clearly, till step 4 you have done clearly, then you must receive your grip selection certificate. So don't worry about these things. If you have some doubts, you can read the FAQs. I will mention the link on the description box and also give the link of this PPT as well. Steps completion checklist. By now you should have completed this. Means if you have done 5 steps clearly, then only you will receive your grip selection certificate. So, and also you have to send your details with 2 email ID that I mentioned earlier. So there are 6 timeline, which is going to be 1 month, for 1 month in the whole remote internship or virtual internship. Like first, application and selection. You have to fill all the details that I have mentioned earlier in the step wise. Then you will receive your grip selection certificate if you have done all the step clearly. Then your internship will start on first day of the month. Then you will receive your task accordingly with the orientation email, what you have to do, and then you have to give your feedback what you have done nearly in 1 month, and after that you will receive a completion certificate if you have done all the things clearly. Thank you. Glad to have you in TCF family. That's the motto of the NGO, that is the Spark Foundation. And if you like the video, please like and share and comment also. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. If you have any confusion, you can connect me on LinkedIn. I will share you the all details if you have any confusion there. Thank you for watching.